Have you ever wondered what a VFD is and how it works? Well, wonder no more, as we are about to dive into the fascinating world of variable frequency drives, or VFDs for short. A VFD is an electronic device that controls the speed of an AC electric motor by changing the frequency and voltage supplied to the motor. It's like the cruise control of your car, but for a motor. By varying the frequency and voltage of power supplied to an AC motor, it manipulates the motor's speed and torque, providing optimal control. Picture a symphony conductor guiding an orchestra. The conductor dictates the tempo and volume of the music, just as a VFD controls the speed and torque of a motor. It's a dance of electricity, and the VFD is leading. VFDs are applied in various industries and for multiple applications. They are used in everything from small appliances to large industrial machinery. The benefit of using a VFD is the ability to vary the speed of a motor, which can lead to significant energy savings. Now, let's delve into how a VFD works. It's a three-part process: rectification, intermediate DC link, and inversion. Rectification is the first step. Here, the VFD converts incoming AC power to DC power. Imagine it as a one-way street, allowing current to flow in one direction only. The second step is the intermediate DC link. In this stage, the rectified power is smoothed out and filtered. It's like a reservoir, storing the rectified power and maintaining it at a constant level. Finally, we have inversion. The DC power is converted back to AC power at the desired frequency. It's like translating a language. The DC power is the original language, and the AC power is the translated version. So, to recap, a VFD is an electronic device that controls the speed and torque of an AC motor by varying the frequency and voltage of the power supplied. It works in three stages: rectification, where AC power is converted to DC power, an intermediate DC link, where the power is smoothed and filtered, and inversion, where the DC power is converted back to AC power at the desired frequency. The beauty of a VFD lies in its ability to provide precise control over motor speed and torque, leading to significant energy savings and improved efficiency. It's a symphony of electricity, a dance of power, all under the control of one ingenious device: the variable frequency drive.